Welcome to Simple English Learning. I'm your host, Professor Emma Clarkson, a dedicated English educator with over 25 years of experience teaching students from vibrant classrooms in London to online learners across the globe. From beginners, crafting their first professional emails to advanced professionals delivering polished presentations, I've guided thousands to communicate with confidence in workplace settings. If you're tuning into our YouTube channel because you want to elevate your English for your career, whether it's nailing a job interview, leading a meeting, or writing a standout report, this episode, English for Professionals, the 10 Most Essential Words, is tailored for you. In this podcast-style video, we'll explore 10 powerful, high-frequency words that are indispensable in professional English, complete with definitions, pronunciations, real-world examples, and quick practice drills. These words will make you sound authoritative, clear, and professional in any workplace context. By the end, you'll have a practical toolkit to boost your career communication. Grab a notebook, pause when needed, and let's get started. At Simple English Learning, we believe professional English is about clarity and impact, not complexity. Let's dive in. In today's global workplace, English is the lingua franca, with over 1.5 billion professional users, according to Ethnologue. The right words can set you apart, signaling competence and confidence. The Cambridge Business English corpus highlights that a small set of high-utility words dominates professional communication, meetings, emails, and reports. My student Priya from India transformed her career by mastering key terms, landing a managerial role after acing her English interviews. These 10 words are versatile, appearing in industries from tech to finance, and they're perfect for learners aiming for IELTS Business English or workplace fluency. We'll cover meanings, pronunciations using IPA, synonyms, and exercises, all in 5-minute drills to fit your busy schedule. Let's begin with our first essential word. Word 1. Collaborate. Kelabur iti. This verb means to work together with others to achieve a goal. Example: our team collaborated on the project to meet the deadline. Tim kelabur iti audit. It's a staple in team-oriented workplaces. Synonyms: cooperate, partner. My student Ahmed from Egypt used collaborate in a pitch, impressing his boss with, "I'd love to collaborate with the marketing team." Drill. Say, let's collaborate to solve this issue. Record, stress, lab, your lab. Write a sentence for a team task. Watch TED Talks on YouTube for usage. Word 2. Implement. Implement. A verb meaning to put a plan or decision into action. Example: we implemented the new strategy last quarter. Implement ID. Common in reports or meetings. Synonyms: execute, apply. My student Sophia from Brazil nailed a performance review with, "I implemented cost-saving measures." Drill. Say, we'll implement the changes tomorrow. Stress im. Write a work plan sentence. Shadow BBC Learning English Business Clips. Word 3. Innovative. Innovative. An adjective for creative or original ideas. Example: her innovative approach boosted sales. Innovative. Perfect for describing solutions. Synonyms: groundbreaking, novel. Carlos from Mexico used it in a tech pitch. Our app's innovative design stands out. Drill. Say, this is an innovative solution. Stress in. Describe a creative idea. Watch Shark Tank clips. Word 4. Leverage. Leverad. Diaz. A verb meaning to use resources effectively to gain advantage. Example: we leveraged data to improve efficiency. Lever ID UZD. Common in business strategy. Synonyms: utilize, exploit. My student May from China impressed with let's leverage our network. Drill. Say, I'll leverage my skills for this role. Stress. Levy. Lev. Write a resource use sentence. Check Forbes YouTube for examples. Word. 5. Streamline. Streamline in. To simplify or make a process more efficient. Example. We streamlined operations to save time. Streamlined. A deal. For process discussions. Synonyms. Optimize. Simplify. Raj from India used it in a report. Streamlining workflows cut costs. Drill. Say, let's streamline the process. Stress. Stream. Write an efficiency sentence. Shadow Business English pod.word. 6. Proactive. Proactive. An adjective for taking initiative. Example. She's proactive in solving problems. True. Proactive. Shows leadership. Synonyms. Forward thinking. Initiative taking. Student Hiroshi from Japan stood out in an interview. I'm proactive in client outreach. Drill. Say, I take a proactive approach. Stress. Pro-you. Describe a proactive action. Watch LinkedIn Learning. Word. 7. Facilitate. Facilitate. To make a process easier or guide it. Example. I facilitated the workshop for new hires. Facilitated. Common in leadership roles. Synonyms. Enable. Guide. Luca from Italy used it. I facilitated team discussions. Drill. Say, I'll facilitate the meeting. Stress. Write a facilitation sentence. Shadow Toastmasters speeches. Word. 8. Stakeholder. Stakeholder. A noun for anyone invested in a project or company. Example. We consulted all stakeholders before deciding. Stakeholders. Key in corporate settings. Synonyms. Partner. Interested party. My student Anna used it in a report, impressing her boss. Drill. Say, stakeholders approved the plan. Stress stake. Write a stakeholder sentence. Check Harvard Business Review clips. Word. 9. Sustainable. Sustainable. An adjective for long-term viability, often for environment or business. Example. We adopted sustainable practices. Sustainable. Hot in modern workplaces. Synonyms. Enduring. Eco-friendly. May impressed with our sustainable model ensures growth. Drill. Say, this is a sustainable solution. Stress. Stain. Describe a sustainable idea. Watch TED Ed Word 10. Deliverable. Deliverable. A noun for tangible outcomes of a project. Example. The report is our key deliverable this month. Deliverable. Common in project management. Synonyms. Output. Result. Carlos used it. My deliverable is the final draft. Drill. Say, we met all deliverables on time. Stress. Live. Write a project sentence. Shadow Project Management Institute clips. Recap our 10 words. Collaborate, implement, innovative, leverage, streamline, proactive, facilitate, stakeholder, sustainable, deliverable. These are your professional power tools, appearing in emails, meetings, and presentations. Practice them daily. Use in emails, role-play meetings, or shadow YouTube clips like Forbes or BBC. For IELTS or TOEFL, these boost your lexical resource score. Integration. Spend 5 minutes per word daily, 50 minutes total. Morning. Flashcards for 5 words. Anki. Midday. Shadow clips. Say sentences. Evening. Write emails using all 10. Join Simple English Learning's Our English Learning community for feedback. Track in a journal. Used leverage in a mock interview. Challenges. Nervous. Practice. Solo first. Word recall issues. Use Anki's spaced repetition. Sound formal. Watch The Office for conversational tone. No progress. Record weekly talks. Recap. Quiz. 1. Work together. Collaborate. 2. Put into action. Implement. 3. Creative. Innovative. 4. Use effectively. Leverage. 5. Simplify. Streamline. 6. Initiative. Proactive. 7. Guide. Facilitate. 8. Invested party. Stakeholder. 9. Long-term. Sustainable. 10. Outcome. Deliverable. Comment your score. At Simple English Learning, these words will elevate your career. Like subscribe, hit the bell. Share a sentence using one word in the comments. I'll reply. Keep speaking professionally. See you next video.